Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my Journal Embellishment challenge number 21, and the prompt is butterfly, very easy, and clusters. I'm going to make a bunch of clusters, or the option is one cluster, but I'm going to make some more. I have here my scraps, my fabric scraps and my paper scraps and all kinds of things, and I want to get rid of them. So and butterflies. I have lots of butterflies, but I have a few butterflies. So I'm going to make some clusters, and I'm going to do that very simple. I didn't prepare it yet, but I'm just going to take some papers. Don't know which papers yet. All kinds of little stuff. Maybe some of these papers. Just little pieces of cardstock and with colors, a lot of colors in it. And maybe that's nice to use. I'm still thinking how to do it, and I have all kinds of, well, this is handmade paper. I'm going to use a bunch of those thingies, and I have way too much papers. These are neutral papers, all kinds of. I think I'm just going to make the clusters first and then put the butterflies on later on. Just getting some pieces of paper, little pieces, a bit bigger pieces, square, torn, I don't know, it's too much. Yuck. Tea-dyed papers. Yeah, thank you. Well, maybe I'm going to use a piece of this. I'm going to tear. I like tearing more than straight edges. And this is a big one. Maybe I'm going to make a big one. Why not? A piece of this. Yeah. Little piece of music paper. Something like that. What shall I do? Shall I? Yeah, I can use my meetapparaat. I always forget stapler thing. I have to fetch it. Where is it? Should I use a big one or a little one? Here's my little one. This is good enough. Maybe a piece of fabric. piece of fabric like that. Maybe a bit smaller, like that. That piece of fabric, a bit smaller. I could make it on a book page though, or on another page, and then glue some stuff on it. Maybe that's a better idea. Because I want to make more. Here I have a piece of craft paper and just two pieces, one piece. Just glue it on there or staple it on there. Something like that. Maybe a little piece of lace. Where is my lace? A little piece of lace. Or maybe I glue it a bit. It's easier to glue. Something like that. And the piece of lace. That doesn't glue, doesn't stick. Not very well, though. And then I should find a butterfly somewhere. Yeah. Where do I have them? Here I have a few, but those are too little. Maybe one of these. Not that one. I like that one. Just a bit of glue. In the middle, like so. Well, this is one cluster, and I'm going to make some more on here, but I will speed that up so you can watch me glue it if you want to. So just wait. I will glue 1, 2, well, maybe 6, so I have a bit of space to tear. So I'm going to make six clusters over here, and like I said, I will speed it up, and I hope you enjoy watching. So I did glue everything on. Now I'm going to tidy up a little bit. A little bit. It doesn't fit anymore, sorry, I'm in the way. It's a big mess here. What I'm now going to do is, well, let it dry, but I want to splatter some gold paint on top. With my van, it's some watercolor paint. I hope it does show. Just see how that I think I like that. Could do another color. No, just a bit gold. Just to give it a bit shine. Don't know why. And so that's enough, I think. And now let it dry. It's very subtle. And now I'm going to tear those pieces out when it's dry. So I will dry it with my heat gun for a bit. And now I'm going to tear. Just tear around it. Like so. And I'm going to do that for all 9. I didn't make 6 but 9 clusters. I'll speed it up again and then I'll be back. So these are the 9 clusters I made. With butterflies. You hardly do see them, but they're, well, with a bit of gold on it. And what I'm going to do with them is, well, I have my journal. Where is it? I can put it on pockets, on, well, it's just on pages. Could put a paper clip behind it so you can tuck it to the page. It can, well, you can put it anywhere if you want to, on envelopes. On here with some text or a little journaling spot behind it or beneath it. You can do it on a, no, I don't like that. Well, there are lots of possibilities. I don't know, I don't have a plain pocket here, but if this was a plain pocket, well, I could glue it on there. Like that, something like that. So these are my clusters for my journal, for in my journal, and with butterflies. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.